That fairground ride, that perfect light. Hey, spin as faster, kid. What day that was, I lost my shadow. Leagues above this town, I will meet you
Beep,
there
beep, beep, I'm coming through.
Future set, a beautiful subject. The sweet smell of the rain, what I'd give for that to stay. Soft dawn, pull the curtains wide. Failure by design, something tears cannot revive. Memories, I will miss everything. Take me back to the storm of yesterday. Lost in the night, nowhere to hide. You whisper to me, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Lucid silhouettes of vapor. Time slipping, parachute over. Head back, I'm leaving it all for you. The pain was so much more than anybody said. What day that was, I lost my shadow. The cruel but gracious final drag of the tide. Go keep my seat warm up on the other side. Take me back to the storm of yesterday. Lost in the night, nowhere to hide. You whisper to me, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. Lucid silhouettes of vapor. Time slipping, parachute over. Head back, I'm leaving it all for you. When will I see you again? Redshift, the stars start to swim in time. Relative gestures. Let it rain down forever. We were learning to fly, guided by reflections and echoes. When home looked like this.
Ladies.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi, Mr. Light. Just because I say hi, it doesn't mean you're getting treats. Hello. Hi, Chase. Hi, Goth. Hi, P-Dids. Hi, Unicorn. P-Dids, congrats on getting here first. Hi, Goth. How are you? Happy Wednesday, everybody. We're halfway through the week. Can you motherfucking believe it?
And sis, that's tea.
So funny story. I must have like gone back into my Steam last night and re-downloaded the PTB for some reason. And so literally I hit DBD and I was like, oh shit. And I closed it real quick before it opened. And I was like, and I had set up my stream title and everything to play 2v8. And I had downloaded PTB. So we're doing PTB today. Goth, you're a little bummed. Your birthday plans for next week went up in flames. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Why did they go up in flames? Did something happen? I'm sorry. So first off, I want to show everyone the killer because y'all, it's Dracula. Oh wait, this isn't where I should show you. Cookie hump day.
Ladies.
Literally, we're so close to the weekend. And those who are newer to DBD, cough cough, cookie. When I say the letters PTB, I am referring to the Dead by Daylight beta testing. So like the new killer is coming out, so they released him to the beta game to play and test out. So everything you're about to see is not even in the live game yet. It's coming soon. How about? Chase, what time is it? Oh, I see. That's what I thought. But I wasn't quite sure. I needed to see it to believe it. Maybe that's why he's conditioned. Well, Goth, I hope you can come up with some newer, better plans for your birthday next week. Okay, Dracula, pop off. Oh, I'm gonna lose my fingers. Munch, munch, crunch. Munch, munch, crunch. And if anybody is on, if anyone has the PTB loaded, feel free to join me. I cannot believe I downloaded that. It was like in a fugue state, I swear. I have no memory of it. Goth, I don't know yet, but I'll figure something out. Maybe a fun stream. I mean, any stream with you is fun, okay? Think Chase for your treat. It's like, well, I'm just waiting for my next treat, actually. Also, do I like your new hair? Yes. I'm sorry I haven't been active in chats. And like a lot of people. I've been lurking a lot lately because I just have not had the bandwidth. Oh, Chase, you're not on PC, so you can't play PTB. I'm sorry. But Goth, yes, I love it. I think the pink is nice. It's pink, right? Wow, that's so annoying. Orange, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. It's very confusing because I have pink and orange eyebrows today, so it was one of the two. Chase, what's crazy? We're gonna go through his perks first and his power, and then we're gonna go check out the survivor. He's so silly. His first perk is Hex, Wretched Fate. A new Hex perk, everybody. Alert, alert. Right? After one gen has been repaired, a random dull totem becomes a Hex totem and curses the Obsession. The Obsession suffers a 33% repair penalty, and they can also see the Hex's aura. I don't know if I like that. Chase, after I finish my job on Friday, I have to go work on my race car, the work that never stops. Is that the car you're working on, like, with your brother or something, did you say? Or you're, like, helping your family do something? This next, this next perk has to do with, chests, and I think that's real funny. Unicorn, talking about the Hex one. Well, it's just like, what impact is reducing one survivor's progress? What is that going to do for the game as a whole? I don't know where the benefit lies. And I'm not trying to be contrarian. Chase, it's my friend. He has a big race car and I have a little race car. Oh, love that. Oh, so you've been helping your friend with his car. I see. Goth, I'm gonna disappear, but you have an amazing stream, Witchling. Thanks, Goth. Thanks for coming in and saying hi. Let me know where you send the picture. I guess it just wastes the time of one survivor. It just doesn't seem very good. Okay, the next one is called Human Greed. You see the auras of unopened chests, and survivors' auras are revealed for 3 seconds when they enter an 8-meter range. That's pretty good. This is funny. You gain the ability to kick chests to close them. This ability has a 60-second cooldown. Survivors unlock these chests 50% faster. Oh, the pick has been sent? Yay! Unicorn, but if it's already open, then we probably took what's in it. I guess it's to reset his power, like his ability, like the perk. So like the perk you only see the auras of unopened chests. So if all the chests are open, you're like, well, I guess my power is useless, or my perk. Yeah. Because I had that exact same thought. I was like, so you want to let survivors get more items? Is that what I'm getting? This one, I see it having some kind of value because of aura reading. The third one is called Dominance. The first time each totem and each chest is interacted with by a survivor, that totem or chest is blocked by the entity for 8 seconds. The auras of blocked totems and chests are revealed to you. I don't know. How do I feel about this one? The first time. Not the first time for each survivor. Like, I don't know. Like, I guess it gives you some information about, like, where survivors are. But isn't it just, like, an inconvenience perk? Yeah, it's the first time. Not the first time for each survivor. Each totem and each chest, does it mean all of them? It means all of them in the game, in the map. Oh my gosh. All of the totems and all of the chests that spawn in that game will be blocked the first time a survivor interacts with them for 8 seconds. Which is just kind of like an inconvenience, right? You're like, ooh, I'm gonna get this totem, get some points. And then it's blocked, and you're like, well, I guess I'll go work on this generator, which is the main objective. Cookie, do you mean it sounds awful, like that's a terrible perk? Why would anybody use that? Or is it awful like, oh my god, as a survivor, that would be so terrible to encounter? Both sides, honestly. I love it. Yeah. It's like, I can see it doing well with other perks. And yeah, as a survivor, it would just be really annoying, I guess, the first time. And then you're like, well, I guess I'll go for it now. And it just gives you a little bit of information. Okay, we're gonna go over the killer's new power. Well, the new killer's power. Oh yeah, I'm very excited because we finally have a shape-shifting killer. I don't know if y'all know about this Dracula shenanigan, but he can turn into like a wolf, he can turn into a bat. Okay, let's see. It's called Vampiric Shift. Special ability Shapeshift. The Dark Lord has access to 3 forms and can freely change between them. Each form has unique abilities and strength. Vampire form, which is his default state. The Dark Lord can use the powerful Hellfire spell, which creates 7 pillars of flame that travel 7 meters and can be cast across low obstacles. Meaning it goes through windows, and I think it might go over pallets.
Gay?
Hi, Ghoul. How are you?
Ladies.
Thank you for the water redemption. We're going over the new killer in the PTB. Chase, you sent your picture? Sounds good. Unicorn, thank you for the water redemption. Oh, damn. That's awesome. Is it going to be like a long-term project, or is this like something you want to get completed in like a short amount of time? Gotta make sure you stay hydrated. You know it. Y'all always know when I'm the thirstiest. Chase, when I bought it, it was supposed to be race ready. Really? I don't know if I would think it's race ready. Okay. So the second form is wolf form. In wolf form, he has access to several abilities that allow for more effective tracking. Movement speed is increased, blood pools and scratch marks are more apparent, and survivors leave a trail of scent orbs behind them. The Dark Lord can collect these scent orbs to charge a powerful pounce attack. So I've experienced the pounce attack in my custom game that I played yesterday, and I just don't know. It's hard to explain. It's like the wolf like lunges out, but I would expect it to pounce like a Victor. But it's not that, there's no like distance to it. And then the third form, which is behind Mr. Light, is bat form. And while in bat form, he gains undetectable. Unicorn, talking about his wolf form, like the demo, no. That's what I want it to be like. But it's like, at least from how I perceived it in my one attempt, it's like a short, I think it's actually like 2 short lunges. Like, you know, like killer lunges. It's like 2 short ones in a row, and I don't know how that's a powerful pounce attack. Okay, yeah. So bat form, you gain undetectable status, and he moves faster, ignores vaults, and can teleport to any vault points. That's weird. but it's very like Dredge teleporting to lockers. They were just like, let's have him teleport to a vault. No. I don't even know what it looks like. I don't know if the survivors can see the bat. It sounds like yes, but they're undetectable. Like it's a silent bat. But no, he can teleport very quickly though. So I'm sure people will get very good at flying on top of you and landing. Chase, the guy who put it together was an idiot. He put a tiny battery wire on a race car and it wasn't getting enough power to start it. So I'd get wiring for it, and if that doesn't work, I'll have to spend $400 on an alternator and a starter to put in. Oh my god. I hope I hope that fixing the wire is enough. My goodness. And rate it in what way? But yes, sure. Is it like 1 out of 10? And is it based on how much I like it? Or what am I basing my rating on? Ooh, let's watch his Mori, y'all. Okie dokie, yeah, I can do that. Post it in La Discordio. Here we go. You can't see the wine glass, so it just looks like nothing. I love it. It just doesn't allow the wine glass to be there. The pictures were taken as soon as you got it. Gotcha. Okie dokie. Okay, let's check out the survivor. I'm feeling very lispy because I bit my lip the other day. And saying certain words like aggravates it, and I can't figure out which words it is. So I've heard people thirsting for the new Survivor already, which obviously I approve of. Interesting. Oh my god. I can't get over this guy. I am shook. Hold on, let me go take a look at it. I want to see. Okay, out of 10. I rated it a 7. I almost like the color personally. It's just not the color for me. Love all the silver detail. Love the rims. I wish the wheels were bigger. But I liked a lot, basically everything else. I really liked the front of it. But I'm not the most into cars, so grain of salt. Big fat grain of salt. Sea salt. That's the most top of the line truck you can get. Love that. I mean, it looks amazing, but if I'm gonna rate it out of 10 based on how much I like it, that's where I put it. But yeah, like, I love the front of it. What color is it? Do you know what the name of the color is? Ugh, I'm not over this Survivor yet. Okay, we're gonna look at his perks. A history of vampire. Oh wait, Eyes of Belmont. When a generator is completed, the aura of the killer is revealed to you for 3 seconds. Okay. When a killer is revealed to you for a specific amount of time, that time is increased by 2 seconds. Oh my god. It's Lethal Pursuer for survivors, y'all. Chase, it's a Longhorn. Some of them have a gold interior. Ooh, like real gold? Or is it just like gold? I'm like, that's fancy. So like, what survivor perks could this work with? It has to be for a specific amount of time. Is that like object of obsession? Real gold? That's why some of them are expensive. That is insane. Wow, that's intense. Yours doesn't have the gold interior, sadly. Well, I feel like, yes, that would be really cool. I don't know what I was gonna say. Doesn't gold dent really easily? Okay, exaltation. That's hard to say. Exaltation. Exaltation. Stunning the killer with a pallet upgrades your held item rarity to the next tier. I cannot get over how much better his perks are than the killer's. Chase, its color is a cattle tan black. Cattle tan? It comes off as such a dark brown in the picture. I mean, not dark brown, but like that's like a deeper brown than I think of a tan. Or are you just talking about your interior? I love the rims. And I don't know what to call it, but like that, like, I don't know, bolts, the rivets that go around the wheel. Well, love it. Time to run one of my 250 yellow flashlights. Literally, so many trash items will just be upgraded, and so many people are gonna go for pallet stuns now. I'm glad that it's not a general stun. Like, you're not upgrading your item every time you head on the killer. Oh, actually, I didn't finish reading. That's so funny. Okay. Stunning the killer with a pallet upgrades your held item rarity to the next tier. Then it recharges 25% of its charges. The rarity is not kept at the end of the trial. And it has a 30-second cooldown. Yeah, killers are going to respect pallets, and then they're going to get rid of them. No need for any means necessary, because there's going to be no pallets left. I can't believe that. Can't believe that. It's like the V sound. Rivet. Carrot. Okay, the next one. Moment of glory. Chase, what's above purple? What do you mean, like in the game? Because purple tier is the highest tier for perks. Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking about items? The tallest item above purple item is iridescent, which is actually a red. Let me show you with another survivor. Oh, actually, never mind. There is nothing higher than purple except for maps and keys. I forgot about that. So if you have anything green or lower, it's a good perk. If you have purple, it's not going to do any good for you. So does that mean you can start the game with a brown box, and by the end of the game you could have a purple box? But it doesn't matter if you live. Is there anything in the store that I want to try out? I like his cape. It's very leather. I'm gonna make my flashlight eerie. Do it. Hi, P-Dids. Congrats on getting here first. I see your redemption. How dare you? By how dare you, I mean, okay. He knows. He knows what's happening. Oh, not him licking his chops. Ah! He didn't make that jump in the slightest. How do you like Fabio? He is very interesting. Or is Fabio the killer? Literally, the look is so good. I love how serious he is once he sees the treat, right? It's like business time only. No fooling. No fooling. Thank you for the redemption, P-Dids. Hi, Zach. How are you? Oh, y'all. I have some misinformation to correct. I have fake news to dispel. I did the math and did some cross-referencing. And Mr. Light is literally only, he just turned 6. He is not 7. Zach, thank you for the lurk. Not too great, kind of a struggle bus day. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the struggle. I feel that. But I hope it gets better soon. And thank you for the lurk. We'll be here if you need us. Mr. Light is here for you if you need him. I know he's been gone all day. Was it weird not having him here? You'll be popping in and out. Do you see this new survivor serving cunt?
Ladies. And sis, that's tea.
This is the new survivor that's coming out. But please feel better. Thanks for coming in though. Okay, so the last perk, I want to see, we didn't finish reading it. Moment of Glory. Wink. Chase, time to leave for false advertising. No, I'm sorry. Not me telling you he was an older man than he is. Well, I had to look up some pictures of him. And I was like, oh, these pictures have dates. Because guess what? Moving is a very good time to lose things. Lying about the baby's age? All I wanted was more sympathy. Is it too much to ask? Yeah, my mom was like, that's not 7. I was like, what do you mean? And she's like, you came home in 2019. And I was like, right. Yep. And then I had to get out a calculator and do some algebra. Not the drowning in water. Oh, God. That is a serious punishment. Thank you for the water redemption. Okay. Moment of Glory. This perk activates after you open or rummage through 2 chests. When you become injured, you also become broken. Automatically heal 1 health state after 60 seconds. Then this perk deactivates. These perks are so good, I can't get over it. So, I guess you don't need to run a chest perk to use this and get value out of it. But you could. Damn. I'm shooketh. I wish they gave me more blood points. Unicorn. So if you run that perk with Nick Cage's perk, you can fully heal yourself twice. Yeah. Chase, since you're playing the PTB, I'm going to play GTA. Sounds good. Yeah, I literally did not plan to play PTB. I don't know if you were there when I had my rant explanation about it. I must, like, in a fugue state yesterday, I must have re-downloaded it. Oh, you were? Okay, good. Well, I hope you have a good time playing GTA. Do you play the online one? I forget which one that is. I haven't played GTA since like San Andreas. And I always try to play like or drive like a regular pedestrian until I do one thing wrong and then I just go off the rails. Hi, P-Dits. Thanks for the water, my friend.
Ladies.
Oh, Chase, you do play the online one. And then you play regularly, or you drive regularly until someone tries to kill you. Fair. That is a great time to go off the rail. Peter, how come you're not playing the PTB? I wonder how long the queue times are. Let's see. Oh, not long at all. Then you go try hard mode. Love that. What are your favorite weapons in that game? Trevor. I'm gonna have to get that sound command. Oh, I need Kindred. I don't have Kindred. Chest. Where's Plunders? We'll bring Appraisal instead. Bring this. Okay. Chase, weapons are for users. I drive weaponized vehicles. What do you mean weaponized? Am I out of the touch with GTA? And now you just use weapon cars? Also, I will be allowing this killer to mori me, because that would be a gift. So this is going to be my first time against the killer. I've tried the killer twice in custom games, so this will be interesting. Midwich? Give me the new map, bitch! He's so sexy. Is he like really wearing a corset? Oh, damn. Trevor. Is this always here? Wait, why is it Ghostface? What's happening? This is so weird. But I love this man. I have a new main. This is my new Michaela. I'm surprised nobody DC'd when it was Ghostface. Do y'all see what I'm seeing? What is this? What is this? Why would they do this? This is a terrible loop. I don't even know what the developers are thinking. I can't believe that. I have questions. So now you can have Trevor. Is it Beaumont or Belmont? I can't remember. Belmont? I can't see the killer because it's Ghostface and he's stealthy. There he is. Were they planning to do a rework for Midwich? Not a rework, but like a adjustment? Or like new variants? Like what's happening?
Marshmallow in the house.
Hi,
Now put a
Loud
burger in my
Shiny.
mouth.
Thank you for the follow. I hope you're having a good Wednesday. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the follow. It's not too bad of a day. Well, that's what we want to hear. As long as it's not too bad. How am I? I'm doing all right today. It's been a long day, so I'm kind of tired. So we're hanging out with some DVD PTB. But otherwise, I'm doing well today. I got to hang out with my dog a lot. If you haven't met him, this is Mr. Light. He's a pug. I took him to visit my mom, and we got to play around outside. It was like, finally, it was like a nice day out. It was like 75 degrees, not humid, not raining, and it was nice. Is he just like hitting the bot on hook? I need to find a chest to test this theory. Oh wait, did he have to break this, or was this just opened? Is this open now? It's just open now. Cool. How have I not come across one chest? Maybe in the basement? Oh, I have to stun him. I was like, how do I do the perk? Hopefully he gets that bot and teaches that bot a lesson. It shan't forget. And we're currently playing the PTB of DBD, which is the beta for the new chapter. And of course, the first game we go against, we don't get Dracula, we get Ghostface.
And sis, that's tea.
How did the Sable wiggle out? She scared me. Maybe you shouldn't look like Ghostface. "60 seconds is so long." Decided not to wait. Also, there's an ad about to start, so beware. Ooh, there's Kindred. Aw. Oh, right. Whenever the killer's aura Wow, all caps. You see the killer's aura for 20 seconds. That's so long. Does it even matter if you add 2 seconds to that? Ooh, we're at least against Dracula.
I will not be defeated.
Oh. Does it do that noise every time he turns to wolf form? Ooh, that's his Hellfire ability, y'all. He must have the add-on where when a gen is finished, a bunch of Hellfire pillars happen around him. Ooh, a Hex Totem. That should break the pallet. IMHO. Like that. Ooh, he turned into a wall. That's cool. Oh, the gen popped somewhere. Hellfire. I'm not sure when that would be useful. It's more cool. I wish his terror radius was a little more three-dimensional. Like, it's giving video game, which is fine, because he's from a video game, but, like, I can play the organ better than that. There he goes. Ooh, the wolf is so cool. Oh, see, it's like 2. Why is he turned into like a white cloud? How did he not see me? It's so cool. Oh, okay. So that was pretty instantaneous damage. He's so fancy. Ooh, that's cool. When you stun him, he turns into bats. Love that. Love that. Nobody saw anything. I'm sorry. This person, I don't think they're using the bat form very much. Whereas I would be obsessed. Oh! Ooh, that's cool. Fancy. Ooh, that was close. Oh. How come Dracula doesn't have red eyes? That'd be cool. He's got these, like, I don't know, are they green, yellow-ish? You, like, don't get to see his face while you're being carried. Hi, Goldie. How are you? I hope you're doing well today. Happy Wednesday. You're good, just took a fat nap. Hell yeah. How was that? I hope you're feeling rested. Rejuvenated, ladies.
Ladies.
I know exactly what you mean. So I'm glad you don't feel like worse or tireder. Sometimes a nap is like the right move. Hello, David. Goldie, for real, sometimes it heals me. Sometimes I wake up and just sit in bed for hours because I don't want to move. I know. You're like, well, I'm just going to lay here until I become part of the bed. Wait. I think some of it has to do with... What? Wow, now it's blocked for 8 seconds. Oh, he's a wolf. Whoops. Maybe I meant to hook it on. Maybe I meant to open it. Maybe I didn't. Ooh, that was so close. I like his attack when he uses it because I feel like his fingernails grow. And I'm like, slay. Goldie, how is Castlevania? It's interesting. This new survivor, I don't know if I am just attracted to him or what. But Dracula is really cool. I think his powers are interesting. I've only played him once and it was like in a custom game. I don't know how the queue times will be. I'm scared. Belmonts are always serving, right? And it looks like he's wearing a corset, and that's just real good. That waist is singed, Henny, right?
Ladies. And sis, that's tea.
Ooh, okay. That'll be a good one. Steak. I'm gonna try stakeout, and I'm gonna try this thing. Goldie, I've always kept up with DBD inclusions, even though I don't play. I mean, that's not the most unusual thing. DBD, like, character hype is really fun. Like, every chapter is like, ooh, what's it gonna be? Unravel this mystery. And then it's, like, fun to figure out what killer it's gonna be, if it's a licensed one, what their unlicensed killers will be, if they're terrible, how can we roast them even though we don't play it. All of it. If we don't go to this new map, I'm gonna scrim. Goldie, I feel like it's kind of like how everyone knows when a new Overwatch hero drops, literally, or a new, like, really big Fortnite collaboration. Like, when Fortnite crossed with Family Guy, I heard about it even though I didn't play. Yep, for real. Literally. I haven't encountered the Dracula's Mori yet, but I'm excited to see it. I mean, I've seen it, but I want to experience it. Goldie, I'm sad I started playing like a month after Peter Griffin. Why? Because it sucks to be one shot by a Peter Griffin, or is it because you wanted it? You wanted it so bad. Become a wolf, you fool. You know you want to. LMAO, all of the above. I love it. The, like, people who use the Peter skin are usually bots or children's. Love it. I don't know why I said children's, but they're usually children. I love it. My friend Sophia got me the Darth Maul skin in Fortnite, and I love it. Oh my god, it's the bats! That's what it looks like? I love it. Darth Maul eats ass.
Gay?
Gay.
And that's a fact, honey.
And sis, that's T.
I'll do this one too.
Show me the gay.
Oh my god. Aw, I almost got away with it. If it wasn't for that meddling dog and that kid too or something. Damn! He actually got me with his hellfire. And he burns the pallet. OMG. I know! He like incinerates the pallet. It's epic. So that's the power he has when he's in this default form, Dracula form. He can also turn into a wolf, and he can turn into a bat, or like, I guess, a cloud of bats, and teleport. But I'm excited for this chapter. I really am. I want to go to the new map. Trevor. Wow. He's a wolf. Uh-oh. So cute. Right, right. Are we getting married? I love it so much. He's serving so much cunt.
And sis, that's T.
Wow. That's amazing. The sass is off the charts. Seriously. I'm like scared to see how long the killer queue is. Oh, wait, you should ready up. See how long it takes. Hi, Sophia. How are you feeling? You're feeling horrendous? Oh no. Did they give you any medicine at the urgent care? Well, at least that. Hopefully it starts helping soon. Sophia, I'm a little worried because the medicine might help. Help or make it worse, and it can cause your symptoms to come back. Oh, geez. Well, I hope that's not what happens. I hope it just helps you feel better. Oh my gosh, 6 pills a day? Did they give you like an antibiotic? Is it a Z-Pack? Medusa's hair? A snake-like memento from one of Dracula's most ancient and fearsome minions. Ooh, what? Should I try and play a custom game? I hate bots, but I don't know. Bots get gens done so fast. It's shocking, I know. The way that medicine sounds like a fake name. It like reminds me of Pavlov, and it also reminds me of COVID. Yay, Amori. Girl, I'm scared. Did they say what was going on? Do you have like mono? I bet Dracula's prestige skin looks real good. Goldie, you had COVID like 2 months ago. I'm so sorry. Sophia, you should have led with that. I'm so sorry. I hope you feel better very soon. I wonder where you got it. Probably the concerts. I mean, never mind. I'll stop talking about it. Bye. 103 fever. Oh my goodness. I hope you have not gone near your grandma. And I hope you're all vaccinated. And if anybody's an anti-vaxxer in chat, please let me know so I can ban you. Goldie, that's so real. That's so funny. Speaking of. I think if your grandma is vaccinated, you don't have anything to worry about. But I think if maybe she's not, you should take extra precautions. My blood web fricked up. Your whole family is vaccinated? Good. Good. I wasn't going to shame you on stream about it, but I was going to shame you off of it. This queue time, ladies. I'm about to give up. Would I want any of his? Goldie, it's so scary because it keeps making variants to get past vaccines. I know, it really is scary. Sophia, my boss, was like, "Are you 52? Do I need to get you those weekly pill packets?" Oh my god, what does that even mean? Literally. Hi, Trinkets. How is Dracula? I like him. I do. I do. I've only played him twice as, like, during a custom match. And then I've played, like, 3 games of Survivor just now. So this is my first time playing as him, like, with real people. So we'll see how that goes. I think I chose the wrong Dracula perk with the ones I was going with. Oops. Why does nobody want to go to the new map? But Trinkets, I like his abilities. When I played the custom games and tried out the wolf form, I wasn't, like, sold, I suppose. Ooh, okay. Do y'all see his fingernails, like, grow? I love that. I'm a slut for that. We're gonna go bat form. Teleporting. Hello. Wolf form. Come back, Trevor. Do you see how the pounce attack is like 2 pounces? It's really interesting. I love that you could be bats. Whoa, new vault animation. That was cool. I wanted to use the Hellfire. Oh, it didn't go through. I was wondering if it would or not. Renato, I love that outfit. Damn.
Just making me angry.
I don't get it. What did they do? I know one person had a flashlight, but I don't think it worked. These animations are really funky. Oh, I don't like that. Why is it 2 pounces? I was wondering if she would walk into it, maybe. Meow. Oh, I really wanted her to stay there. Interesting. How come it didn't do the second pounce? I love the nails. Hi, Kawaii. How are you? That's amazing. I didn't know he did that. Hello. I'm a puppy. Coming for ya. How come there was a... whatever you call that? Why was there Killer Instinct? Why does it do Killer Instinct when he goes through the window? You're doing good? How am I? I'm doing well. I'm tired today, but that's okay. We're trying out the PTB just for funsies. Ha! Stupid bitches. They keep trying that. I wonder if they're all together. We're trying out Mr. Dracula. Oh, wait. That's cool. I love his fire powers. They're so cool. How did that not hit her? I can't believe that. Ah! I can't believe it like gets hit on so many obstacles. Yay, we got her. Ooh. Oh my god, we did it! That was so cool. Did y'all see it? Did you see it? I did the thing. I love being bats. I want to be a bat forever. Explode! Fire! Do these do these gens use gasoline? Can I? Ah, I see. I'm a puppy. I turned into a bat! I love it! Come on out, my friends. Oh, do you else? I did not know that the castle was on like all the maps. Or do you think it's just some of them? I love it. Did she do the timing right? Nope. She tried. But today was like a beautiful day. It was like 75 and sunny, not humid. It was lovely.
Even try to escape.
Chop. Oh my god! Hi, Salty.
Try not to bleed out too.
So, if anybody's wondering, my iridescent add-on is doing this. It seems a little intense and unnecessary. Like, this guy just wouldn't be able to get out, right? So, like, if I injure these people, they're all gonna die, right? Or do they really have to, like, dodge it? I can't!
Destiny calls.
I am in disbelief. That was amazing!
Ladies
Are you kidding me?
and sis, that's tea.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Hi, the Darth Dingus. How are you? GG's, you fart a lot? Gotcha. GG's. That was funny and wild and insane. That whole ending, I was just like jaw on the floor, disbelief. I couldn't believe anything that was happening. Like, I saw this add-on and I'm like, when the gates are open, pillars of hellfire continuously spawn. And I was like, okay, well that probably means like 1 or 2. And then I was like, if I injure everybody, it's like everyone dies. Like, do you like imagine running a Terminus, which is a Wesker's perk, where at the end game everyone who gets injured is permanently injured, like they get broken. They have to like they have to change that. Also, thank you so much for the follow. Thank you for the shout out. Let me give you a follow back. Are you kidding me? Thank you, thank you. Thank y'all for the fun game. That was so much fun. It was wild. That was great. Good luck and have good games, please. And have a lovely stream. Thank you for being wonderful. That was a lot of fun, y'all. I am very surprised. That ending just came out of nowhere. I thought oh my god. I can't get over it. I don't think I have the patience to do that again. Although that game was so fun. The queue times for Survivor, you just can't beat it. Salty, how am I tonight? Well, why is that such a hard question? I had a long day. I am overall doing all right. I'm tired, but it's great. Let's do this, witch. Hey, Xtos, how are you? Have you played much of the PTB yet? Have you gone against the Dracula? Oh, I'm sorry, the Dark Lord. But good luck, Xto. Not much, but yes, Dracula has been fun to go against. I just played my first game as him, not in a custom match, and it was really fun. I was surprised. And then the first game I played tonight was against a ghost face, and I was like, what the hell is happening? As I knock over everything on my desk. But good luck, Ek. We're gonna do this. We're gonna win, we're gonna live, we're gonna slay today. Did this map also get reworked? Not reworked, tweaked. Ooh, I do like the sound effects, but this Dracula better use the bat mode more. Bat mode, like... Ah! I love that he turns into bats. It's freaking bats. It's freaking bats. And how are we feeling about the terror radius? That was really funny. I'm sorry. Hi, Codice. How are you? Oh, that's what people were talking about with wanting to pet and boop the snoot. I was like, how does Dracula have a snoot to boop? Now it makes sense. What's shaking bacon? Codice, though it looks like someone was trying to take a bite out of your bacon. You better believe it. These Dracula are no laughing matter, except when they do stuff that is a laughing matter. Sophia Franklin's in the PTB. Yes, if you could believe it. Salty, how have you been? I feel like I haven't seen you in a few minutes. I haven't seen you in a few minutes. It's been so long. Need to go into these games with begging strips. Yes, that's so true. That couldn't be. Oh my god, it's a bat! I love the bat form. I'm a slut for the bat form. Shut up. Imagine you get a nice Dracula and you just get to boop the snoot of the wolf and you just get to see a bunch of bats. Yes, Salty, you're amazing. You didn't even bat an eye. Yes, Xto. Yes, Urban Evasion, Xto. Salty, I know, I swung for the fences with that one. Whoa. Oh my god, that's so cool. the stuff was happening around him as bats. Freaking bats. How did he know I was here? Fuck me! Damn it! That's so fucking cool. Sophia, I can't wait to P100 this man. You're talking about Trevor? Trevor! I need so many new sound commands, y'all. You don't understand. I have one for Trevor. I'm gonna get frickin' bats. Like, it's all gonna be so good. Salty, which is a baseball term, meaning you're swinging the bat, knowing you may not hit it. Another bat joke. Oh, Sophia, are you telling us that you only prestige people you think are hot?
Ladies.
Gay stuff? Maybe gay, maybe straight, maybe bi, who knows?
I kind of got away from that chase a little early, but sorry, Echo Exto. 3 bat jokes in 2 minutes. I love it. That's a new record. Gold, you're obsessed with the chase music. It's pretty good. Adding it to my Spotify playlist. Hell yeah. Love that. Does it make you feel like you're dramatically sitting at an organ? I love Trevor's coat and corset. See, how did he know I was here? You can't see scratch marks. I mean, you can see scratch marks. You can't see survivors. Is there an add-on? Does he have a Mori? Is he trying to Mori me? Do you think it would go over? Guess not. You need it for your workout? Is it gonna be for like your running workout playlist? So like you're in chase with Dracula? Damn it! He fooled me. There's no worry. What's that about? He's being nice. Oh, I didn't notice that 2 of them were together. Oh, 3 of them. Goldie. Yes, I want to imagine Daddy Dracula trying to suck my blood. Hell yeah! He's got his wine glass. Salty, you got me with that one. Because I was like, really? I thought he knew exactly what was going on. And then I got fooled by you and your jokes. That was such a good one. Like, I want him to start doing parkour. Shirtless Trevor skin when? Hello. behavior. Give us what we want. Code Ice like me? Yeah, the very same. Salty Xto is jumping in and out of a locker. That's lame. Even after the killer has been nice. And he spared me. Whoops. He surprised me. This killer is baddie. The way he turned around at that flashlight. I want him to come down. Do it. Do it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, here we go. Damn it! No! Puppy, why? I tried. Goodbye, cruel world.
No one's coming for you, Trevor.
No one's coming for you, Trevor. Trevor seems like such a weird name. Goodbye, everybody. It's time to go. Adieu, farewell, Aviters, and goodbye. Trevi, Trenton. I know, but you got my mind thinking Sound of Music suddenly. Toxic Spaghetti, I'm sorry. Did you not mean to kill me? Did you think I was the other Trevor? But it's okay, no worries. No worries in the slightest. So Stakeout, Fogwise, and Eyes of Belmont work real well. Toxic, you lost count? Don't worry, that happens to me all the time. But good game. I had a lot of fun. You were the first Dracula I've gone against who used the bats, and I really appreciated that. How did you keep finding me? Did you have an add-on? I was like, in bat mode, you're not supposed to see me. Could you hear me, maybe? No. Franklins and hoarders. Oh, I see. Okay. Try that. Okay. Toxic and the new item perk for Vamp. Oh, okay. Damn. Every time you were a bat, I was like, haha, you'll never find me. And you literally found me each time. I was like, damn. Trev hair.
And sis, that's tea.
They really are serving some nice hair. I really hope they have good skins. I'm scared that the cosmetics will be limited because of the licensing of it all. Spaghetti, yes, I am a security cam. You were so good at that. That was so good. But GG's and good luck in your future games. I hope the queue time wasn't too bad for you. And are you also experiencing it where nobody wants to go to the new map? Everyone keeps bringing map offerings. And I'm like, hello? What are you doing? Salty, I want Vecna to have more skins. Me too. That also. Yes, what the heck? Goldie, if I played, I would def main Vecna. Hell yeah, he would be a great main for you. He's, by definition, the most snatched character in the game. They're in bat form. Look at them go. Okay, so that's what it looks like when they teleport. Interesting. I had that exact question. Did they bring a Mori? Yes! Waste on Thinna. At first, I thought you said Waste Tina. I was like, okay. That's gonna be Vecna's new nickname. Waste Tina. I don't know why I'm just like spying. I'm watching this chase happen because I love him. I wanna not like him, but too bad. Actually, I wanna not like the wolf. Exto, I tried to help. I have 3 minutes of ads left before I got to your stream. So GG's, good luck in your matches. Thank you, Exto. I'm sorry about the ads. But good luck in your next games. Spaghetti, I told the others you stole my chew toy for your accidental death. I didn't bring your treats. I stole your chew toy. It was a disaster. I really deserved that death. Thank you for being a lovely, lovely human, Spaghetti. I hope you have good games if you keep playing. Thank you for being the vampire bat I needed in my life. Damn you. Thank you for the water redemption. Did I not see a water redemption from you, Salty? I'm so sorry. Damn you. Hi, Alto. Is it Altokes? I was sad when I couldn't find you to stop the hook. I was looking. No worries. I was like looking for a pallet by the exit gate, and that was not working. But thank you for trying. I appreciate you. Alto works? Gotcha. Well, thank you for trying, and thank you for being lovely teammates. The killer came in and literally apologized, so don't worry. But I hope the rest of you got out, right? GG's was fun. Hope to see you again. Sounds
Marshmallow
good.
in the
Alto,
house.
thank you
Now
for
put a
coming
burger in my
in.
mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Thank you for the follow. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate that. I hope you have good games. You just ended stream yourself? Well, I hope it was a good stream. Let me stop running and actually mend. Let me give you a follow back. Have you been playing a lot of PTB tonight? I've played one game of Killer. Well, I played 2 custom matches, and then I played one of regular Killer, and the queue time was a little bad, so that's why I'm not doing that again. But it was so much fun. The Killer is really funny. Oh, I helped you hit your goal at 130? Hell yeah!
Ladies and sis, that's tea.
Hell yeah. Well, I'm glad I could help. Sorry you weren't live when it happened. Alto, I played like 5 games on Survivor. That's cool. Did you enjoy it? I hope so. And 2 rounds of Killer in a custom match. Gotcha. Yep. Yeah. I liked the Killer. I couldn't quite get the hang of the wolf form. I found it tough to aim. And it felt not as fast as they say. But also, I think the survivors perks are much stronger than the killers. Alto, I did when we played against the Lord of Darkness. I don't know how I feel about him being called the Dark Lord. Shouldn't he be called, like, the vampire? Oh, Renato? Oh, Salty. Matt. Bear Be Crazy was one of the survivors when you played that killer game. Oh! Yeah, you're right. I didn't even notice that. That's crazy that 2 games later you're Survivor with them. Literally, what was I saying? Oh yeah. Well, if the killer queue time was so long, they must be looking for survivors. So we must have queued up at the same time and just been like shoved together like 2 cakes in my mouth. Oh no! Are they gonna get moried? I'm ready for this. I wanna see. Oh, she's in the wall. That's lame. I like that the bats swarm him. She DC'd? Why? Goldie, I want cake now. Sorry about it. Not sorry. What kind of cake do y'all like? I'm more of a pie person, but if I am gonna have cake, it's gonna be chocolate cake. Okay. Oops, I moved. I wanted to see chests. Nope. Alto, I'm gonna go pass out for the night. I hope the stream goes well. Thanks for the fun, and you've got a nice little community here. Oh, thank you! I'll have to try and catch your next stream. Thank you for coming in and following and just being a lovely, lovely person. I appreciate that. I hope you have a good rest of your night, and I hope I catch your next stream. Thank you for coming in, Alto. Just kidding. I'll heal you. I'm sorry. That was an actual accident. Ooh, another Mori. If I want to be Mori'd, I have to get hooked before Dwight dies. No! You have to hook that guy so I can unhook him so he can unhook me. Damn you. This isn't how it's supposed to go. Damn, not him shaming you for crying. Do you have a giant metal hook in your back? Dracula. Dracula loser. Salty, when you're bad, you're bad. Only terrible killers slug like that. I don't know why he had to slug. He should have hooked what's his face so he could get all the Moris. His goal should have been to Mori everybody. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Slugging is 0% necessary for a 4K. As if the hatch was gonna like spawn right on top of him or something. In the PTB. Salty, I get everyone 1 hook state, then everyone to 2 hook states, then kill everyone. Yeah, that's my goal. My goal is to 2 hook everybody and then basically play around. I don't kill anybody. If I kill somebody, it's because I forgot how many hooks they had. Hard to do in 2v8. Yeah, in 2v8 it's very hard to tell. Unless they're like very visually different. You know what I mean? Salty, you did the 2v8 as Trapper. How did you like it? Did you enjoy it? I played Nurse and one game of Trapper because of the quest, or the challenge. And I think I did one game as Huntress. But I like it as Nurse. The least amount of kills you got was 7. Oh my god. Oh, you were Naughty Bear. I wonder if you went against me. I saw a lot of Naughty Bears. Salty, I found the best combo for 2v8 is a good Trapper and a at least decent Billy. I saw the benefit of Trapper and Huntress together, and I saw the fruits of Trapper and Huntress together, and that was really cool to see. But I also saw Trapper and Billy, and Trapper, it's so funny. I saw somebody get trapped, and then Trapper hit them, and they went down, and then Billy goes over them. It was great. Puppy! I'll try and boop the snoot this time. I'll remember the button. Boop, boop. I don't see any chests. I also thought Trapper and Nurse was good. And if you, to get trapped and then to hear a nurse coming closer was like chilling, terrifying. Cuckoo crazy banana town. Oh. No! How did you know? Oh. Yeah, but the speed at which Billy can get to the traps, that is, you can't beat that. Oh. Uh-oh, he's chasing me! What? Damn. The first time I played him, I was like, in what world would you ever use his hellfire power? I just don't understand it. It doesn't make sense to me. There's no use for it. Salty, oh yeah, I bet. And being trapped and hearing a chainsaw revving and flying at you. Yes, I suppose that is terrifying AF. That's funny. I loved that the Wraith makes people undetectable, so to have like a silent nurse or huntress just show up next to you. Love. I wish you could custom 2v8 me too. I thought about that. Nicolas Cage and Trevor Belmont. Lesbian.
Show me the gay.
Salty, it would be great if they brought it back every 2 months or so. What was my thought is that it was really successful and that they will try to bring it back ASAP. But I really hope that they do expand it, like add more killers, please. How did you know? How did they know? No! A daddy grabbed me by the throat.
Ladies.
Damn.
Hell, butchery, murders, blood, stabbings, more blood.
Salty, I wouldn't want it to be permanent because people would get tired of it or only be on it. Yeah. I'm sad that the killer queue time never got like reasonable. Wow, I'm surprised he didn't hit me. It definitely feels very niche. I just love that they finally had a game mode where the killer was like actually more fun. There's a Batman! Get it? Salty, I agree. I loved it. Me too. I want them to add Spirit. I want them to add Hag. Clown. Is anyone gonna save this person? Okay. Mikey would be OP. I agree. I forget who I was talking to, but they suggested they suggested Mikey and Ghostface to have like more stealth killers. It's coming. I love the red eyes so much. So much on the side of my face. Yeah, does that count as booping it? I tried. Damn. It's so fucking cunt.
Ladies.
Can't get over it. Wow, I love it. I did get the boop in, right? I tried so hard. I think I'm gonna play one more game. Literally, he's been chilling. Well, he had a long day. I went to visit my mom today to help her babysit. I think he's 7 weeks old baby. So, and I brought him with, and he was tired out, ma'am. Thank you for the water redemption, Salty. Do you see this person's name? Also, this Yoichi skin is dope. Okay. But it's Hags UTI.
Gay?
Gay.
Okay, that's not what I meant to press. I meant to press this. Salty, so I have to watch that clip when you met us once a week because your laugh is just addictive. Aw, I'm glad you still like it. I love those clips. They're so funny. I'll never get over it. Y'all were the best. Literally, people do not plot twist me as killer, and so for her to do that to me, it like made me live. Y'all, do you see the castle? I didn't know it, but they like added it to all the maps, bitch. Do you think it only shows up when it's Dracula as the killer? Chase, can we give Light a treat again? We should make it a routine. I mean, he always comes into my lap when I say goodbye. The treat would just be the addition. Surprisingly, he did not wake up upon utterance of those words. Did I turn his cam off? It's here. So rude. Damn. If it was regular DBD, I would turn him off. Boop, boop. What's on TV? Just shove my hand into a bunch of glass. I love it. This Dracula needs to use his frickin' bats. I like the sounds of him like laughing from far away. That's cool. Blizzard just pallet stunned him while in bat form? Really? Wow, I didn't know that. I was wondering that, literally. Do you think he'll notice if you move the treat bag? Yes. Do you want me to test it? I can move it to the other side of me. Do it! Y'all are gonna be so mad when I wake him up, because he will. And I didn't even do it very loudly. I swear, that's the least wrinkly I've ever wrinkled his wrinkle. I mean, his bag. That doesn't sound any better. I wrinkled his bag. Ooink. Are these trees new? This map looks different. Is it because of that? Now he's like, this motherfucker. He's still awake, being like, where is it? I love you. He is devastated. I did not. How come when Dracula gets taken to the fog, he gets to bring his entire house with him? Hi, Cece. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Happy Wednesday. Good, and you? I am doing well. I am really tired tonight, but that's okay. We're playing the PTB, testing out the new Survivor and the new Killer, which love both of them. And we got a new map, but it's not the one I'm currently on. But there's a castle. Look at the castle. Boop, boop. Cece, I hear ya. I was so tired that I had to cancel today. Oh, I'm sorry. I saw that. I hope you get some good rest tonight. And that you feel better in that way. I went to visit my mom and I took Light with me. And I helped my mom babysit my 7-week-old nephew. If he had just chased anybody else, I would have been the bait. I am so sorry. Not them waiting that cute time. You got 4 hours of straight sleep this afternoon? Hell yes! I'm glad to hear that. Not me coming into this lobby and the first thing that's said is, he has been banned. Chase another game? Well, that person DC'd. I didn't even get chased by a killer. I don't really think that counted. I'm sorry. I know y'all were waiting for this treat. He is waiting as well. There's been a lot of naps today. I'm glad people were taking naps. Salty, should I move his treat bag? Proceeds to move his said bag. I'm such a hypocrite. Okay, let's see. I want to see, is the castle also on the outside of this map? Yes, it is! Boop, boop. Oh. 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 Ooh, he's a bat! Oh, that looked so cool with the lighting. He's a bat bitch. That one's good. That's gonna be a stream title. You know it. We're being a bat bitch tonight.
Ladies.
Chase, when you get yourself food, does he sit there and wait to get a piece of? No, he doesn't, actually. No, not really. Not to me. I think he does to other people, but I don't. I am very strict with his food, so I don't think he even tries it from me, because he knows he won't get it. But I have seen him sit next to other people like that. And Chase, only if it's Dracula will the castle be on the map. I love that. That's an awesome detail. I'm very happy with that. Ah! Okay, well that inconvenience is over. TJ Maxx Supervisor is a great name. It really is, especially for a Jeff, right? I wonder if he's wearing an outfit that fits that. Teddy bear. Boop, boop. Oh my god. Give it to me. Wow, that was like 2 seconds. What was that? If that's Pink Panther-esque, I've seen them before. Zach, TJ Maxx Supervisor is a great drag king name. Yes, it is. Does Claire's Booty, does that ring as a drag queen name enough to reference like Claire's Boutique? Just call me Claire Booty. It does not work. I don't know why I'm trying to make it work. Also, when are they gonna have a Survivor of Edna mode where she can just be like, no capes! And then she sucks the killer into a turbine? I do think his Hellfire thing should go through more stuff, because it feels like it should, but it doesn't. Like, it should go over that small fence, but it doesn't. Whoa, where's he going? Who DC'd? Sucker. Sucker. Later. I can't believe I got away from that. And because of Trevor Beaumont's, or Belmont, because of his perk, I should be able to be healed soon. But Chase, I'm gonna use diversion with the dog and play fetch when he comes out. That's so... I love that. That's such a good idea. We're about to be healed, ladies.
Ladies.
There we go. So I still stand by my question. How come when Dracula comes to the fog, he gets to take his entire fucking house? Huh? I think the only other survivor who got to bring their house into the fog with them is Laurie Strode. Like, it's not even Michael Myers, because that's not the Myers house. I don't think. I think it's Laurie's house on the map. Sucker. He literally does look like a supervisor. Oh, frick. Oh, there's no worry. Where'd he go? I'm gonna try and take him to the shack. Just kidding. Sucker. Sucker. Oh. Oh. I was about to be like, I'm pretty sure it's really easy to 360 the dog. Just kidding. Chase, whether you're on mobile or not, you should be able to look in the like the channel point thingy. And the option should be there whether you've redeemed it or not. And then when you click it, if it's dimmed out, it means you've done it. I think it also tells you you've redeemed your thing today. Puppy. I love that it goes woo when it hits somebody. That's so funny. I can also check, I think. Chase, you redeemed yours 3 hours ago. Right when you redeemed to Sea Light, actually. It must have been when you got here.
Ladies.
Just making sure, no problem. Hell yeah. Look, you've reminded everyone else not to forget. Okay. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out tonight. This was lovely. It really was. Thank you all for hanging out. Thank you for watching the PTB with me. Thank you for being lovely humans. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being a fan of Light, so you stick around for me. It's like, stop that. There's only one. Sorry. Y'all, thank you for hanging out. This was lovely. I had a great time. Salty, I swear. I'm gonna get a pug and call him Frank from Men in Black. You should. Also, that pug was so cute. You gotta start tossing them into his mouth. Literally. I need to practice that because him taking them from my fingers is too much. I love you, Light, but you need to be nice when taking treats. He used to be so much better. He really did. He just likes these too much. I don't know. So I'll start practicing with him. I think that's what needs to happen again. We're going back to learning to eat treats school. Okay, I'm gonna get going, y'all. I'm so tired. Thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here, everybody. I love all of you. Talk to you later. My next stream is on Saturday. Hopefully I see you then. Bye.
Ladies.
Bye, y'all.
On Sunset Boulevard, with the city of angels singing on. Maybe this is just a dream, and maybe we're still asleep. fire if we